Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sync your videos with beats on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use the audio on this one. Let's just extract audio. Select the audio here and you're going to select add marks. Actually no, you're going to select this one, sorry. You're then going to select either beats 1 or beats 2. There's more beats in beats 2. So I'm just going to go to every mark and I'm going to add in a video here, and I'm just going to split it in between, well, every time there's a beat, cut it, there's a beat, split it. Whoops. And you're just going to do it for every single video or photo that you have, like so. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.